AI is entering organizations through more doors than ever before. An employee builds a quick POC. A development team experiments with a new agent framework. A business team enables an AI feature in a SaaS application. Today, it is remarkably easy to connect an agent to an LLM, enterprise data, and tools, and put it to work. Often before security or governance teams even know it exists. When these agents operate outside established visibility and governance, they become shadow AI. With agentic AI, the risk is greater because these systems don't just generate content. Agents can act. They can access sensitive data, invoke tools, connect to external services, and make decisions on behalf of the organization. This is where SMARE starts. Connect your AI platforms, and within minutes, SMARE begins continuously discovering the AI operating across your environment. SMARE builds a living inventory of applications, agents, LLMs, MCP servers, and tools. And here, SMARE has discovered something security didn't know about: a POC agent built by an employee. Nobody onboarded this agent into SMARE. Nobody told SMARE it existed. And yet, SMARE can already tell us a surprising amount about it. With SMARE, we can see where the agent came from, what it communicates with, the LLM it uses, tools it calls, its topology, activities, even the operational cost. But inventory alone isn't enough. SMARE continuously evaluates what it discovers against its AI asset governance policy. And it has already identified something important. The agent may be functioning normally, but it is communicating with an LLM that is not approved by the organization. And the risk isn't theoretical. SMARE observed the agent sending PII to that unapproved model, something explicitly prohibited by the organization's data governance policy. So, SMARE shows more than simply what exists, what data the agent is interacting with, where that data is going, and where that behavior conflicts with organizational policy. And we don't have to take the findings at face value. SMARE preserves the runtime evidence behind the violation. We can inspect the underlying activity and follow the communication, so that every violation can be traced back to the agent behavior that caused it. However, what SMARE won't do is pretend to know something it doesn't. It knows the agent exists. It can observe what it's doing, but SMARE doesn't yet have enough evidence to establish what its normal, intended behavior, aka design intent, should be. But discovery doesn't automatically make this agent trusted. It is still shadow AI. Unresolved policy violations, no established accountability, no approved behavior, and not yet managed under SMARE's governance lifecycle. When the organization is ready, manage agent action brings it under formal governance. First, know what AI exists, then understand what it's doing. Then decide what belongs, and govern it continuously. Because you cannot govern what you cannot see. SMARE by Intentix. Detect drift. Govern intent. Ready to see it in action? Reach us for a demo at contact@intentix.ai. To learn more, visit intentix.ai.